Hello, today we're going to be talking about the water cycle. It has three parts: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So, the water cycle starts with any source of water, a lake or an ocean. The heat from the sun goes onto the water, turning the water so hot it turns into water vapor. And then the water vapor is lighter than air, causing it to float up. When it gets so high, the air becomes colder, the water then transforms into a cloud because it gets cold and turns back into its liquid form. So, if the clouds get so much water vapor, they become super heavy. And then they just can't hold it anymore, and then the water starts to fall down, with what we know as rain. It falls onto the mountain, and the water flows down and goes back into the ocean. And that's the water cycle. To review, I'll play this simple song.
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. That's the water cycle ever since the earth was formed. That's the water cycle where water gets transformed. When water's heating, getting hotter, it will change, just wait. It turns to gas called water vapor. It will evaporate.
Wow, the water changes to vapor?
It's invisible?
Whoa, it must be magic!
Nope, it's evaporation. That's evaporation.
That's evaporation.
Go tell the world, go tell the nation. That's evaporation. Vapor rises and gets cooler, then watch and be aware. The vapor changes back to tiny droplets in the air.
The water changes again?
That's right, from a vapor back to water droplets.
That must be magic.
Nope, that's condensation. That is condensation. That is condensation. Broadcasted loud on every station. That is condensation. Water droplets, they form clouds up in the sky, you know. The drops get bigger, they start falling as rain or sleet or snow.
Wow, I always thought rain and snow came from magic.
Nope, it's precipitation. Just part of this here water cycle. That's precipitation. That's precipitation. Since the early days of Earth's creation, there's been precipitation. That's the water cycle ever since the Earth was formed. That's the water cycle where water gets transformed.
Goodbye.